before correcting someone, ask yourself, have I earned the right to speak into their life through relationship? Am I speaking from a place of love or frustration? Is my goal restoration or is it control? And when you do correct, be clear, but be gentle. Be honest, but be compassionate. Be firm in truth, but soft in delivery. Your tone can determine whether a message is received or rejected. So, do the people feel safe being honest about their struggles around you? When someone fails, is your first response compassion or criticism? Are you more concerned with correcting behavior or restoring the person? Would you want to be corrected the way you correct others? Think about it.